Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your EA app won't launch. To do this, first let's open our task manager. Right here we'll be able to find the details and then scroll down, look for eadesktop.exe. Then we can just click on it with the right mouse button and end the entire task. When it's done, we can try to relaunch the app, and if it still doesn't work, we need to navigate to the Electronic Arts website, ea.com, and right here go for Experiences, select the EA app, download it. I've already downloaded it, so we can just double click on it, and then you can repair your launcher right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.